I have my hot water here. I just got up, brushed my teeth, and after that, I will get ready and go for the gym. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another A Day in My Life vlog. Today, it's very lazy day, like I will do whatever comes in, मतलब कोई plan के मुताबिक कुछ नहीं होगा. I have some things in mind which I am planning to do, but let's see what goes. And I hope you enjoy this video like you enjoy other videos too. So let's get ready for the gym. So many people have asked me कि वीडियोस में मेरा स्किन इतना ग्लोई कैसा लगता है, और इज़ इट ऑयली और बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. सो दिस इज़ माई बेयर फेस. कुछ भी नहीं है. आई जस्ट वॉश्ड माई फेस विथ प्लेन वाटर. सुबह को मैं फेस वॉश अप्लाई नहीं करती, नहाने के टाइम करती हूँ, एंड देन एट नाइट. सो 2 times in a day. And before going anywhere else, I go for this sunscreen. It was a very random purchase from Nykaa. ये है Minimalist का Light Fluid SPF 50 face sunscreen, and this is like applying the glowy portion on your face. Like I will show you. Do you see that? Do you see that? The glow. It's unreal, right? I have never used something like this कि कोई सनस्क्रीन इतना ग्लोई भी हो सकता है. It's not even dewy. It's the perfect amount of glow that you want in your skin. Like मेरा स्किन हमेशा ड्राई रहता है एंड इट्स लाइक ऑलवेज मैटिफाइड, और मतलब बहुत सा मैं सा लगता था. इट वॉज वेरी रैंडम एंड नाउ आई लव. Then I go with this Etude ka water tint, which is also very nice. This is my first ever water tint, and I love it. I love it. सो देन आई वेंट टू द जिम, और आज था आर्म्स डे. मैंने उसके लिए अलग सा सेपरेट यूट्यूब वीडियो भी बनाया है जो मैं बहुत जल्द पोस्ट करूँगी. आफ्टर माई वर्कआउट आई वेंट टू द सुपर मार्केट एंड बॉट ए शैम्पू बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू शैम्पू माई हेयर, और शैम्पू ख़त्म हो चुका था. देन आई केम होम एंड ड्रैंक जैकफ्रूट जूस विच आई रियली लाइक, और ये अभी सीजनल फ्रूट्स में है तो काफ़ी घर में आता रहता है. देन I oiled my hair before shampooing, which I always do, and I also took my protein shake. So now I'm making this keychain sort of a thing for my friend because her birthday is coming up, and whenever some special occasions come for the people I know, I always tend to give them a touch of my own experiment or my own handmade something. I have always preferred handmade over machine made or store bought. I will also give her something else bought from the store, but addition to the addition to that, something handmade always works out for the best, and I love to gift people more than I love to receive gifts. I genuinely love want to give so much more to the people I really love, and they really deserve it. So yeah, that's what I am making. I hope this turns out very cute. I am not going to show it because hopefully this video will come out earlier than her birthday, so it's really not very surprising, isn't it? So yeah, that's what I'm making. नहाने के बाद मैंने लंच किया, और इसके बाद थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करने के बाद आई गॉट रेडी टू गो टू द टाउन क्योंकि मुझे कुछ काम था, एंड आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू गो टू द टेम्पल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वेंट टू मैक्स, एंड मुझे एक्चुअली कुछ पीजे सेट्स लेना था फॉर यूट्यूब इंट्रोज़ एंड रील इंट्रो वीडियोज़ के लिए. So I took two sets, and look at the bag collection guys. I really liked every bag that I saw, लेकिन मैंने लिया नहीं क्योंकि बजट का प्रॉब्लम था, so that's why. The jewelry collection was also very nice, but I didn't buy it eventually. After that I went to the temple, और आज लोकनाथ भगवान का पूजा था, so I went there और काफ़ी भीड़ था क्योंकि आसपास मेला भी लगा हुआ था, and that was my evening. So I came back home and I bought these peaches from Max, and like one set and one top and one 3/4 पैंट sort of a thing, क्योंकि हमेशा शॉर्ट्स में कंफर्टेबल नहीं होता है, like days like monsoon days when it's neither too hot nor too cold, you want something which is more comfortable than shorts. So that's why I got this. So let me try and show you all. So this is the first bit that I got, and this is a cord set, and I got it for $6.99. And look wise it is very cute and cozy, and the material is very soft. It's not fully cotton, but it is totally cottonish vibe. And I really like the oversized fit of this t-shirt because most of the PJs don't have the oversized fit, and I love oversized more. So this is a 10 on 10 from my side. So this is the next set that I'm wearing. It is actually not a set. I bought them separately. This is for 500 and this was for 299 I guess, and it is very, primarily it is complementing each other because blue goes very well with white and the stripes design that is going on, and this is an 3/4 pad, although the elastic in the waist part is very tight for me now. I think this is new, that's why, and it is actually good because most of the elastics which are too comfortable at the first, they get loose over time, and I don't like that. Then so the elastic is a little bit tight for now, but I think after some washes and after some wears it will become okay. So yeah, that's it for my today's vlog. If you liked it, then do share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.